Hello, how are you? My name is Mikhail. I am qualifying homes and setting up free appointments for the ending program of no upfront solar panels. It is a simple way to forget the ever-growing electricity bill. Why the program is ending? The government is giving benefits supporting solar installations, and they were planned until 2028, but Canadians hate their electricity bills so badly and are so quick to use the benefits that they are running out sometime in 2024. For my company, this means that we just need to make a few example homes in every community with the old condition of no upfront and put a little advertisement on the lawn. First come, first serve. You may now get it, if you qualify, for the price of your electric bill or cheaper. Just redirect the payment from the electric bill to the government and possibly save on it. The ones who will contact us through your ad will pay upfront for the same thing when 0% interest loan from the government is not available anymore. The bills will grow, but to get rid of the electric bill, they will have to find even more money, and the banks will not offer loans for 0%. My appointments are running out fast, and now you understand why. You have to be a homeowner. You should be able to pull your electricity bill for 6 months. You should have the credit score 650 or higher. Good. Then we can make an appointment for the expert who will study your electricity use and your roof configuration to tell how many panels will make your home self-sufficient to participate in the net metering program of your provider and pay zero net for electricity. It is free, but it will take about 2 hours and your spouse should be with you. Please choose one of the dates on the screen here.